Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another shenanigans of mine online. Uh, yeah, I want to watch this anyway, so I'll just get into it. Start. So we will type for 3 minutes. Oh, I don't have my timers. So we'll fix that. Programming later. And typing. Okay. Oh, yeah. And yeah. You know what? I feel like learning something today. Nine? That's a fucking lot. We have a 9:44. It's kind of bad. Okay. So we will. I feel like learning something Angular. I'll do that. Oh yeah, yesterday I was doing this. That was frustrating. It was connecting and disconnecting. It was no fun at all. So I guess something else. Here we go. Now it's updating or something. Oh, I forgot to stop the timer. So I will that and I'll run the timer, but I will probably make a longer one, like till 4 or so. This went like away. Yeah, where the fuck did it go? That's something which is kind of... so... Videos... Def... Emacs, maybe? No, this is installation... It's not fucking here. This is like unexpected behavior, a little bit. Maybe we will do shit in Emacs now. A bit. Maybe I feel like doing the git thingy in it. Do I want to learn about the Emacs now? Oh, anyway. Oh well, this is spam, so I'll fix that. And bye. Learning on. Okay. Angular IO, and I wanted to have a look into this. Okay. Or can have a look into this. Fat. This file. E stands for what? Emacs Spacemacs. E and Spacemacs.file. Okay, so this is the config file. Oh, hey Glacier. Nice to see you again. Oh, well, I don't know. Oh yeah, we can do the music. Boom, boom, boom. I did not enable it because I forgot, I guess. Where is it? Oh, here we go. It's there. That will be some hardcore again, huh? Of course. Maybe I feel more like doing the doing the angular. Yeah, well, I'll do that, and also I'll decrease the font size a little bit. Font. Oh, it's 10. This is 10. No way. Do 9 and do apply. What will shrink? Oh, it's like this. Oh, yeah, why not? But that's not all. Right here. That's presentation assistant. That's not it. Editor. Font. Size is 4. Oh, that's 14. Try 13. Okay. Okay. Do I want to do the... No, I will do the angular. I'll do angular right now. Then we will see. Using HTML TypeScript and goes written in TypeScript. It implements core and optional functionality. What is the core and optional functionality? The fuck? A set of TypeScript libraries that you import into your apps. Okay. Fundamental concepts. Visible modes are components that are organized into ng modules. ng modules collect related code into functional sets. Static page. Why do we get this? Is the fuck? Page up, page down doesn't work in here? What the hell? Streaky Cobra. Okay. Already jumping all around. Let's just go back. Angular is defined by a set of ng modules. At least a root module that enables bootstrapping. Okay, typically has many more feature modules. Okay. Components define views, which are sets of screen elements that Angular can choose among and modify according to a program logic and data. I just realized, I will have like another computer from the company. So I will have to reorganize my shit around here. We'll figure out something. I probably want something which will be switching between those two machines, like switch monitors and switch everything. Components use services which okay. Components define views, which are sets of screen elements that Angular can choose among and modify according to our program logic and data. Do they? Okay. Components use services which provide specific functionality not directly related to views. Service providers can be injected into components as dependencies. What is happening? Oh, some bullshit. Oh, the timer. modular, reusable, and efficient. Modules, components, and services are classes. Maybe I should also like change the layout of the monitors in here. We'll see. Modules, components, and services are classes that use decorators. Yeah, so those are the annotations. These decorators mark their type and provide metadata that tells Angular how to use them. Sure. The metadata for a component class associates it with a template that defines a view. Sure, so we can see that in here somewhere. I will search for some component. Ingredients components, good. Oh, but not the spec. I want requirements component. This. Those things. That's the decorator. How come it doesn't have a capital V? I would expect. V 4J. No, so 4 VJ. No. 4J. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Metadata for component class associates with a template that defines a view. Okay, so that is here, right? Then ordinary HTML with Angular directives and binding markup that allow Angular to modify the HTML before rendering it for display. I'm already thinking too much about how to set up my desk with all the new equipment. Oh well. A template combines other HTML with Angular directives and binding markup. Tell Angular to modify HTML. Order HTML, yes, with Angular directives. Directives are the shit. Right, so I don't know. I will find some HTML file. HTML index, for example, and here's the directive. I think. Oh fuck. Here. This is it. Yep. To modify the HTML before rendering and for display. Is it? Is it that? Really? The metadata for services class provides the information Angular needs to make it available components through the dependency injection. Okay, so we have a look into some service. Right, this is that. Why it doesn't select the visual around block, for example. Oh, it's Control V. And that's the visual block. Oh, hold on. It's probably not what I wanted, but it is interesting. Control V, huh? Okay, and do delete. Oh, nice. Okay, so that can be useful. And now I have multiple cursors. Look at that. No, I don't. Interesting. So I can do Control V. 7 down. Come on, it's Control V, right? Yeah. And of this, change to something. Oh, hey Orkson. I can play with that a lot. An apps component typically define many views arranged hierarchically. Well, anyway, the main lesson, what I wanted to do is this. We say it's injectable, right? And it does the shit. Yep. Or maybe I can just do visual 3 down. Oh, that was 9. Whatever. And apps components typically define many views. Sure. Arranged hierarchically, Angular provides the router service to help you. We do have a router in our application too. Router. This is here. Here's our routing thing. We have 2 routes. Oh fuck. Hey, Gana. Nice to see you here. Welcome back. Bum, bum. Oh, really? Do you? Do tell, my friend. Do tell. The pine phone. Oh, really? Nice. Nice. So how do you feel? Like, how long time ago? Like, are you using it actively for a few days, or did you just unbox it, or what's the deal? Oh, nice. So I'm really curious what you will say about it after a few days of usage. How is it so far? Some reviews. Well, that's why you did order it, right? To mess around with it. So I would say it's all okay. The router provides sophisticated in-browser in-browser navigation capabilities. See Angular glossary for basic definition or basic Angular terms of usage. Sure. So then we will do this. There's the glossary. Can have a look at glossary. Okay. This looks boring. Huh, do you see those two scroll bars? That's cool. Carter got on the same card, reader pins, couldn't get it out. Interesting. So modules. I kind of feel like I did read it. Nice, I don't even know what that is. Well. I see. Joseph for our component. JavaScript, yes. ng module require compilation context for a set of components that is dedicated to an application. Okay, so it's just a box. Application demand or a workflow or a closely related set of capabilities. So basically you can do whatever you want with it. It's just a box. You decided those things will be there. An ng module. Is it cold outside? It's not that much. It should be raining, right? An ng module can associate its components with related code, such as services, to form functional units. Okay. Every Angular app has a root module, conventionally made web module, which provides the bootstrap mechanism that launches the application. It contains many functional modules, sure. JavaScript modules can import functionality from other modules and allow their own functionality to be exported and used by other ng modules. So you can import functionality from. You import the whole modules, or how does that work? For example, you use the router service in your app, you import the Okay, so you import the module. Okay, like here. The fuck? Page up doesn't work? Why? Page down works. Page down doesn't. Hold on. Doo-doo-doo. Dum-ba-da-dum. That's weird. Here it works. What the fuck is wrong with my IntelliJ? Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Okay, fuck that, I will not solve it now. Organizing your code. Interesting functional modules helps managing development of complex application and in designing for your reusability. In addition, this technique lets you take advantage of lazy loading. That is, loading modules on demand. Sure, to minimize the amount of code that needs to be loaded at startup. Nice, okay, good. So that is good to know. For more detailed discussion, see Introduction to Modules. Okay, so I guess we will put a pin on it. So here we will say we will go through. Come on. It's kind of slow, isn't it? So what was Control Shift Enter? Yeah. No. Control O. No. Well, paste. S. R. Oh, sorry. Stuff. This is Introduction to Modules. Oh fuck. Here we go. Paste. Description. So that's another thing we will go through. So we have it in there, so we shouldn't forget. Now, components. Every Angular application has at least one component. The root component that connects the component hierarchy with the page declarant. Okay, so we have a module and component. Yeah. Each component defines a class that contains application data. Class that contains application data logic and it's associated with an HTML template that defines a view to be displayed at target environment. So this is this, right? Thing in here. The add component decorator identifies the class immediately below this component and provides a template and related component specific metadata. Decorators are functions that modify JavaScript classes. Angular defines a number of decorators that attach specific kinds of metadata classes so that the system knows and how they should work. Okay, so we'll have a look. Interesting. What is this? Explorer ECMAScript Decorators. Oh, that's a feature of JavaScript, huh? Okay, so interesting. Sets up the value. Okay, I will read this later too. So I will yank this and we'll put it in here as well. Bam, and this is later. Templates, directives, and data binding. Okay, so this is the next thing which we will do. Yoink, I'll save it. I'm doing this, right? So, oh, next. Okay. Wrote that, and now we have some redeems to do. Okay. So this concludes the round number 727 of me noobing around. So stop recording and shit. Shit.